A few months ago, nag-upload tayo ng tutorial video on how to use just one name on Facebook. Meaning, walang surname na mag-a-appear sa profile nyo. Parang ganito. Unfortunately, yung method na yan only works for newer accounts. So, madalas, marami sa comments yung nagtatanong kung paano naman yung mga old accounts. Well, don't worry kasi in this video, I'll show you a new way on how to remove your last name on Facebook that works even with older accounts. A quick disclaimer lang bago tayo magsimula. Lahat ng steps is 100% working by the time I upload this video. If ever in the future, may mga steps or links na ayaw nang gumana, normal po yan kasi workaround lang to lahat. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi nag-upload ako ng mga updated tutorials regularly. So don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated. The first step is to open your web browser Lite APK 2023 on the search box. Scroll nyo lang hanggang makita nyo yung link na to from APK Mirror. Pag click nyo yan, scroll lang kayo ulit until makita nyo tong list ng mga available versions. Then click nyo yung pinakauna. Sa next page, swipe up and then click on this blue button to download. You'll then see a prompt like this at the center. Click nyo lang, download anyway. After that, click install. Pag na-install na, open nyo lang yung app and then log in with your username and password. Swipe up without closing the app and then balik ulit tayo sa Play Store. Search nyo naman Japan VPN. Maraming lalabas na mga VPN sa search results. Pero piliin lang natin yung pinakamataas yung rating and yung pinakamaraming downloads. So try natin tong VPN Japan. Pag installed na, open natin yung app and then click on this arrow. Dito sa list, piliin natin yung free lang and green din dapat yung ping para smooth yung connection. Try natin itong Tokyo One. Pagbalik sa homepage, click lang natin tong red button to connect. We'll then see a prompt sa bottom ng screen. Click nyo lang tong OK. Swipe up and then click nyo lang ulit yung Facebook Lite. Sa homepage, click on these three lines on the upper right. Scroll down and then click on settings. Next, click on personal and account information. Click nyo lang yung name nyo and then input nyo tong character na to para sa first name. Then, ito naman yung gamitin nyo para sa middle name. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung mga characters na yan para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Then finally, input nyo yung name na gusto nyo mag-appear sa Facebook profile nyo dito sa surname. Pagkatapos, click on Review Change. Then sa next page, input your password and then click Save Changes. Sa homepage, click ulit natin yung 3 lines and then go to Settings. Click on Personal Account and Information and go to Name. Next, click this to change the order of your name. Select the second option and then input ulit natin yung password. Pag okay na, click Save Changes. Let's go to our profile by clicking here. We'll then see na isa na lang yung name na nagre-reflect sa profile natin. Okay, before we end this video, let me clarify a few things na madalas na tinatanong dun sa last tutorial video natin. Una, maraming nagtatanong kung pwede na daw bang i-uninstall yung VPN pagkatapos ng change name. Yes, pwede na siyang i-uninstall once natapos nyo na yung name change process. Kahit i-uninstall nyo yung VPN, hindi babalik sa dati yung name nyo sa Facebook kasi hindi naman sila konektado. Pangalawa, maraming nagtatanong kung pwede ba siya sa iOS. Yes, this tutorial works for both Android and iOS devices. Kung hindi siya available sa App Store, you can download other apps as long as may Japan sa list ng servers available. However, hassle kasi sa ibang app. You need to watch an ad before you can connect sa mga available servers. So, to be clear, it doesn't matter kung anong VPN app ang gamitin nyo. As long as sundin nyo lahat ng steps na ipinakita ko dito sa video. So, that concludes our tutorial. And I hope nakatulong sa inyo. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So, that's it. See you in the next one.